Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to auto-categorize expenses in Google Sheets with AI. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your bank statement in Google Sheets. Make sure you have columns like date, description, and amount. Next, copy the transaction descriptions and paste them into ChatGPT, asking it to categorize them into groups like food, transport, entertainment, or bills. For example, type categorize these transactions into spending categories. Once ChatGPT gives you the categories, simply copy them back into a new column in your Google Sheet. You can use Google Sheets formulas like VLOOKUP or array formula to automatically apply similar categories to future transactions. For a more advanced setup, you can integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheets using apps like Zapier or sheet automation tools, so new bank entries get categorized in real time without manual copying. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.